Hi, this is the HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So let's open first the Muviz Edge application. Where is it? Muviz Edge, tap to open it. And here in AOD section, select one from the available tabs. Tap to apply. You could here add the backgrounds if you want, just by swipe to the up or to the down and just tap to apply. We could also hide music controls after 10 seconds, so just to don't hide them, to show notifications and show the date with the help of the switchers, and to show battery status always while you are charging or never. Let's go back, tap to X icon, switch AOD to the settings and tap to always on display. Here we could show it on lock screen always while they were charging on music. We could decrease and increase the brightness level, to switch AOD timeout, low power after timeout, to switch the screen orientation, to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it on screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, and to use burn-in protection and the pocket modes, and also to disable this option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AOD option on our HUAWEI tab. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.